Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. It's June, and I'm coming to you, as I said, with my November Boxy Charm, and it says Boxy Charm Harvest. And this is just the basic box, the $25 a month box. And it's pretty cold here in Denver today, so I'm still in my cozy, comfy jammies. I did put on a little bit of makeup. We might head out to the store here in a few and go get some necessities. So let's get to the Boxy Charm. I hope everybody had a good weekend. I had a decent weekend. Didn't really do a whole lot. Yesterday, I don't even think I left the house. I did my nails, I did a manicure, and then I just chilled and watched movies. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is called this Natasha Denona Pink Palette, a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm tone eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes. All recognized and wrapped into one, composed on both creamy matte and metallic formulas. From the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise Shadow palettes, you'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. And this is valued at $48. And it comes in this really generic package for this palette being $48. But wow, look at those colors. And it's got some weight. I mean, it's okay packaging, but not for $48. And this is the Natasha Denona Harvest. And it's a Boxy Charm exclusive. So if you went on the Natasha Denona site, you would not find this palette, according to what this is saying. Ooh. Nice, nice, nice. So it's pretty chilly here today. It's snowing up in the mountains, which I'm thankful for because of all those wildfires that we've had. Oh, and then it looks like I got Moda Metallics by Royal and Landnicker. 2-piece ultimate ice sculpting brushes. And these retail for $15. I could buy a 10-piece brush set on Shop Miss A for $12 and then an additional 2 brushes for $1 and still not come to the cost of these 2 brushes. It says 100% vegan. Okay, Boxy Charm. Alright, and then the next thing I'm pulling out. Did I even show you those brushes? My bad. They just look like that. Pretty design though, but not, what did I say? Not $15 worth. I'm sorry, but all right. And then the next thing I'm pulling out is a oxidant spray toner with green and white tea extract. And it's a spray on toner. And this is by Dr. Brandt. And this retails for $40. This toner is packed with an oxidant-rich base of green tea and white tea that Let me get a drink because my mouth ain't working. All right, let's try that. Let's try that again. This toner is packed with an oxidant-rich base blend of green tea and white tea to shield your skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. I can't talk today. Anyway, it's a damn freaking oxidant spray toner. And it's worth $40. All right. Okay. Next. So there's two more things. Oh, this is called Game Changer. Babe tested, vegan approved. And they look like cards. Look at that packaging. Oh, they're lippies. Oh, I don't even want to open it. I want to open it. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, you get 3 lippies. And this is half-caked, game-changing lip fondant trio. These lip fondant liquid lipsticks go on with a feather-light texture and dry completely matte. For best wear, make sure lips are exfoliated and hydrated before applying. And these retail for $32. What the? Oh my gosh, look at this packaging. Oh my gosh. And these colors are beautiful. This is the theme song. And it's this really pretty nude color. And then this one is low key. I will swatch these. And then the last one is really. So my boyfriend's last name is Bardo. And guess what color this lipstick is? Bardo. I'm not going to tell him that. What's the odds, right? And it's weird because I had another lipstick named Bardo, and it was more of like a wine color. Okay, so I'm going to swatch Low Key. I'll put these other ones down because ooh, I like this doe foot. Nice and big. Okay, so this is the color Low Key. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. We'll see if it dries down. And then the next color is Theme Show. Theme Song. Theme Song, not Theme Show. Oh my gosh. Now these were worth everything I got. It's just like this rose, dusty rose nude. Really pretty theme song. And then the last color is Bardo. Oh, I think this one's my favorite. And not just because that's my boyfriend's last name. Look how freaking beautiful that is. So this first color was, what did I say? What did I say? Low Key. And then Theme Show. And then Bardo. And it came in that adorable card like, and then it's got the 3 slots. Oh, oh my gosh. Very cute. And again, ow, come on, get in there. I don't want to mess the box up. I hate when you take something out of the box and you go to try to put it back and it doesn't go back in the way it was. So this is Half Caked Game Changer. Wow, those are flippin' adorable. Like, seriously adorable. I don't know where I'm going to put those. And then the last thing that I have in here is from Benefit. And this is the Benefit Cosmetics Give Me Brow and Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. This tinted eyebrow gel contains tiny microfibers that adhere to skin and hairs, creating natural looking fullness and definition. The custom tiny tapered brush provides easy mess-proof application. Proof fuller looking brows magically appear. And this little ass freaking thing, it was $24. I've never owned a Benefit product. So it came in that little box. And then it has, really, it says Brow Magic Tricks and Tips. It's like a little book. $24? Really? Really? I'm going to shop Miss A mirror and see what color this is. Oh, it's like a... Oh. I ain't mad at you. I wouldn't spend $24 on you. I ain't mad at it. Give Me Brow from Benefit. Like I said, I wouldn't pay $24 for this little bit of product. Give me 2 secs. So I was looking for my gel brow, which I have 3 of them, and I couldn't find a single one. But $24 for this. And I don't even think you get as much product that you do with the Wonder Brow gel. I'm telling you, I need to organize my my makeup drawer and stuff. But yeah, that is all the stuff I got in the November Boxy charms. I got the Natasha Denona Peak Palette, the Dr. Brandt Oxidant Spray Toner, Benefit Cosmetics Give Me Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel, the Half-Caked Game Changing Lip Fondant. Oh, now they did dry down to that matte. Ooh. Stupid light. Very, very nice. And then I also got the Ultimate Ice Sculptures from Moda, and those were those two brushes. So yeah, that was the Boxy Charm Harvest. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful Monday, a wonderful week. And we will see you in the next one. Peace, love, harmony. Bye guys, love you. Thank you, new subscribers. Tell your friends.